Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, our mission is to unpack West Bengal. It's this really culturally rich and historically significant state in eastern India. Think of this as your shortcut to getting informed about a fascinating part of the world. Our sources, well, they paint this vibrant picture, a region that's really influenced India and beyond. We're going to distill the best insights for you.
Absolutely. And what's really striking about West Bengal, I think, is how it embodies this blend, this mix of ancient heritage and modern energy. Take Kolkata, its capital. It's buzzing with tech firms, right? But then just around the corner, you've got artisans crafting these incredibly intricate idols for Durga Puja. That tradition goes back thousands of years. It's this dynamic blend woven right into everyday life there.
That's a perfect way to put it.
Yeah.
And if you look at a map, West Bengal's location itself tells a story. It's quite strategic. You've got Bangladesh to the east, Bihar and Jharkhand west, Odisha southwest, and then up north it borders Sikkim and Bhutan. Plus, there's that crucial coastline on the Bay of Bengal. And the Ganges River, the Hooghly as they call it locally, runs right through.
Yeah, and that geography, it's so diverse. You go from the Himalayas up north down through the massive Gangetic Plains right to the coast. That variety has really shaped its unique character, its connectivity through history. It's sort of a crossroads, a key link in South Asia.
Right. That location, especially with the Hooghly River kind of as a lifeline, it just hints at a deep past, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And West Bengal's history is incredibly deep. It was part of ancient empires like Magadha and Gupta.
Way back.
But the big shift came with the British. Kolkata now was their colonial capital for a long time.
Until 1911, yeah.
Right, until 1911. Then came another massive moment, India's independence in 1947. That brought the partition, hugely impactful. East Bengal became East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, and West Bengal stayed with India.
Exactly. And that history, that depth, it provides the very foundation for West Bengal's identity today. The partition, for instance. It wasn't just about borders changing on a map. It triggered this huge cultural migration, reshaped Bengali literature, cinema. It created this unique diaspora identity you still feel today. It shows how these big historical events leave these lasting marks, not just physically, but on culture, on people.
And growing out of that history, you get this cultural heart. It's undeniably a powerhouse. Literature, music, art, cinema. We're talking giants like Rabindranath Tagore, the Nobel laureate. His influence is still so strong.
Absolutely.
And Satyajit Ray, the filmmaker, a global legend. Swami Vivekananda, the spiritual leader. Amartya Sen, another Nobel winner in economics. Just incredible figures.
It is. And beyond those icons, it's the everyday vibrancy, the festivals that really cement West Bengal's reputation as this intellectual, artistic hub. Think about Durga Puja. It's just this dazzling spectacle of art and community spirit.
Amazing, yeah.
Or Poila Boishakh, the Bengali New Year. So joyous. And Saraswati Puja, celebrating knowledge and the arts. These aren't just holidays, they're living expressions of this thriving culture. And Bengali, or Bangla, that's the official language, tying it all together.
So with all that going on, what's the economy look like these days?
Yeah.
It's actually pretty diverse. There's a strong agricultural base. Rice, jute, tea, sugarcane are key crops.
Right, the staples.
But there's also significant industry, steel, around Durgapur, a growing IT sector, especially in Salt Lake City near Kolkata, and textiles too. Still quite robust.
And that diversity carries right over into tourism. It offers some really unique things to see and do. You can picture Darjeeling, right? That famous hill station, the tea gardens everywhere, those incredible Himalayan views.
Oh, yeah, stunning.
Or head south to the Sundarbans. It's the largest mangrove forest in the world, just awe-inspiring. And you might even glimpse a Royal Bengal tiger there. They've adapted uniquely to that watery environment.
Wow. And for something different again, there's Shantiniketan. That's Tagore's university town, steeped in art, education, philosophy.
A special place.
And back in Kolkata, you have those unmissable landmarks like the Victoria Memorial, just majestic, and the Howrah Bridge. What an engineering feat. It really shows the sheer range of attractions.
So if we sort of connect all these threads, West Bengal really demonstrates how history, geography, human creativity, how deeply they're all interwoven in shaping a place's identity. Which I think leaves us with a pretty interesting question for you to think about. How does a place like this, so steeped in tradition, so defined by its past, how does it manage to stay such a vibrant, forward-looking beacon for modern thought, for art, for innovation, something to ponder?